What's the meaning of careline? Careline. Careline.
Careline. Careline. The term careline generally refers to a service that provides individuals with a means to connect with trained professionals who can offer support, advice, and guidance for a range of issues. Carelines are frequently used by organizations such as healthcare providers, community groups, and social service agencies to promote well-being and help individuals access necessary resources. These services can be particularly helpful for individuals who are experiencing challenges related to mental health, physical health, addiction, or other life stressors. Overall, carelines aim to provide a compassionate and responsive support system for those in need.